Hi everyone, welcome back to WordArt. Today I'm going to focus on Lego brick USB connector. If you guys like this type of videos, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe and leave a comment, and also check out my social media. I'm going to start with the sketch. Going to be a center rectangular. Going to put it 35 and 85. And then I'm going to extrude this for 17 millimeters. I'm going to select all these end lines. I'm going to make it 4 millimeters. And the top lines, I'm going to put it 2. I'm going to create another sketch. It's going to start from here. Put it 7, and this one is going to be 17. Going to move this a little bit. Click OK. Select Finish. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to this, edit the sketch. I'm going to create a pattern from the sketch that we just created. I put it 4. Click OK. Now I'm going to extrude this -15. Click OK. Then I'm going to go here, select the sketch. I'm going to open that one up. I'm going to select all of them again, and I'm going to do the other side. So select from the object and put 15 as well. I'm going to hide this. I'm going to see the interior of it. Alright. So now I'm going to create the Lego part of it, but I'm going to use those as a button top of here. It's going to start with the sketch on top of this face. I'm going to select that circle, going to create another pattern. Actually, I'll put 2. Click OK. I'm going to extrude this. And also going to put 2 sides. And make sure the operation is new body. I'm going to click OK. I'm going to come here. I'm going to smooth these a little bit. And then I'm going to select this 2, create a pattern. Going to select the part. Gonna close this. I'm gonna click OK. So now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to create another sketch. top of here. It's also going to be a circle. And then I'm going to extrude this just like the one before, two sides. I'm going to make sure it's a new body for the operations. Going to click OK. And then I'm going to extrude this as well. Going to put that as new body. Going to select this too. Going to select M. Make sure create a copy. And then I bring that to here. Click OK. And smooth these edges. So now I'm going to work with the USB panel. So I'm going to select this face. I'm going to select this point. Then I'm going to extrude this to here. Click OK, and then I'm going to make the edges a little bit smooth. I'm going to click OK. I'm going to make sure it's not a joint. I'm going to make sure it's a new body. And then I'm going to create another pattern. I'm going to select the body. Select the path. Click OK. So now I'm going to do the same thing to the other side, but I'm going to use a mirror. I'm going to select the body, it's going to come to mirror. And I'm going to select that, click OK. So now you have it in both sides. Now I'm going to create the USB connector frame. I'm going to select this part. I'm going to create an offset for this. I'm going to select just like that, click OK. And then I'm going to extrude this all the way up to here. And I make sure it's a new body, click OK. Now I'm gonna select that body and then I'm gonna create a pattern. Select the path. I'm gonna put that as 4. Select OK. So now I'm going to focus on putting this frame just like before, using mirror to this side. Go create mirror. I'm going to select the plan. Click OK. Right, that works. And also I'm going to use this combine tool to make a cut for that, and make sure you keep the tools. So you have a cut that might go from here to connect to the circuit board. So I'm going to do all of those and I'll be back. What I'm going to do here is going to select all the Legos. And then I'm going to create a group for that. I'm going to move that to here. Then when you close it, you'll be able to see the connection, but some of them did not move, so I'm going to look at that. I'm going to move it. Alright, so we know those are the buttons to on and off the USB connection. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this type of videos, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe and leave a comment, and also go check out my social media. Thank you. Have a good day.